أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
Yeah, I know that there are so much talk about this burning of the Holy Quran, and this country, Sweden, is it's on the news. Yeah, and it's very. I feel very ashamed for what's happening, and but in the same time, we must also remember that everything what's happened, it's also that God allow what has happened.
When this Holy Quran burning is in the media and everyone is talking, so what do you think? Is there a chance that some Swede will explore what is in Quran?
Of course.
They will come to Quran. They will read it.
Of course.
But we hope maybe there will be some change in the existing law, or there will be some new laws, so the better prospects.
Absolutely, because it's kind of absurd that to burning books can be a freedom of expression. I mean, it should be the opposite. The burning books, it should be it's a sign for the opposite. I think. So,
exactly.
So it's in many ways, I think it can come good things from this. I'm sure.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure that it is, because you can feel it on different levels. But for example, I met many people there that I couldn't. I'm surprised that they are reacting so negative about the burning of Quran. I couldn't imagine. I mean, Swedes, and I know them. I couldn't imagine that. Oh, he and she, they are reacting so negative about the burning, and that's a very good thing.
No, the majority of these fields they want to ban. You see those books are helpful for the parents?
Yeah, I really think they are helpful, and I also think it's different with the people who are in. If we are talking about Sweden, the people who are in Sweden, and with their identity as a Muslim. I mean, God is the one who gave the hidayat. And I mean, the hidayah, it's nothing that it's not a ticket that you once gave and then you have it. It's something that everybody should asking for this hidayah. Also, we also do it every time we recite Surah Al-Fatiha. We're asking for hidayah. So it's something that we should do. And actually the word is perfect.
Exactly.
Everything. It's a good reminder for me, and if it's for others, I'm glad. Just to remind that everything is perfect. God is our creator, and there are nothing more than God we should have in our mind or in our hearts. That's
for me. It was also much inspiring that how a Swede. In 1 month, just reading of the Holy Quran, he was much inspired. So I think it's a lesson for us, for those who born in the Muslim families, but have not explored this Quran, have not read this Quran. They should try to read, understand, and think, as Quran said, "Tatafakkarun."
Yeah, and to be and really try to be as open you can to God, what He will give you. So that your goal is that whatever it comes in your way, it's from that you will surrender, and you will just feel comfortable that this is from God, and this is what you should accept.
Brother Hassan, thank you very much for your precious time, and thanks very much for watching this interview. If you like this interview, please share with others, and please write your comments after watching this both episodes if you have remembered your praise. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.